Welcome to Marine Tech Hub. Today I like to explain about hot work permit on board the ship. Very important. We can do only hot work in the workshop, that is in the engine room, and any other place on board the ship we need to get the permit from the office. This is called hot work permit. So in our case, we have to do some welding on the package AC in the engine room. As per the picture, you can see the charging point. This is the gas charging point for the package AC, which has been broken. So for doing the hot work, we need the letter from the office, that is letter of concurrence. So before that, we will make the hot work permit and send it to the office. Office will verify and tell us whether we can do the hot work or not. Normally in tankers, hot work is normally not permitted when the ship is carrying the cargo on board the ship. Okay, so mostly the office superintendent will not give the okay for the hot work. So normally hot work is done when ship is in the ballast condition and all the parameters are to be taken care before we do the job. So one of the important thing for hot work to be carried out in our case is, since it is the package AC, so gases has to be released. Okay, in this case releasing of gas not allowed, so we have to collect the gas in the recovery system. Once you collect all the freon gases, then what you have to do is make a vacuum in the system so that no freon is in the system. Okay, so once that is done, then what you do is you can blow air into the system to remove any of the gases which are there, or if you have nitrogen, you can use nitrogen to blow the line for safety reason. So here what I am trying to tell you is, once all the safety is taken care, like you have a list of hot work permit, there is a checklist. So what you have to do is, we have to isolate the zone here, fire zone. That is one important. Make sure the package AC is totally isolated, power is cut off, and all the gases is be removed. Then you have to have the portable extinguisher nearby, water and fire hydrant to be ready, and everything as per the checklist. Is a big checklist, so I will not go much on that, but still important thing is you have to go through the checklist. Okay, so what I am going to do is, I am going to do the welding here. So we are going to use the uh, silver rod here. So before we do the silver rod, I will play the video for you. You can see here I am using the silver rod for welding, and it has been whole system has been gas freed and there is no gas. So very important here. So once you do the welding, make sure the system is not hot nearby, otherwise what will happen is there is always a chance of I'll tell you what is happening is, when you are heating up, you have the connection here for the charging point. So that connection, you have a rubber o-ring. Okay, you have to remove the connection inside. Okay, there will be nipple here and a rubber that has to be removed, and I have kept white cloth over here so that you put some water on both the sides so that it is not very hot, so that the cooling is happening. Very important here is, after the job is completed, you again have to report to the office and say that everything has been done and hot work permit need to be closed. So if you have any message on hot work permit, please let me know, and if you like the video, please message me. My email address is there and WhatsApp number is there. Thank you very much.